Hi everyone, please join me to cook the super delicious Nigerian party stew. Yes, you can call this mama put or you call it party stew. Let me show you how I prepared it. Let's get it started. What you can see here are the cow leg that I'll be using. It is called babankano. What I have here are already well washed beef. After that, I'm going to add this cow skin. We call it momo, and at the side there I also have shaki. We call it tribe. They are all well washed, and it's now time to add the ingredients I'll be using for boiling this meat. Let me quickly show you. What I have here are curry, garlic powder, ginger powder. After that, I'm going to add seasoning into it. The next ingredient I'm about to add is so simple, but boiling meat without this ingredient it's not possible in my place, Nigeria. What I have here is diced onion. Add it to your meat whenever you are boiling it. Next time you're going to thank me later. So lovelies, I'm going to add salt into this. Have you subscribed? Are you following already? If you haven't, please do so. It is free. God bless you for doing so. So it's now time to add some water, not too much water. I'm just going to mix it gently together and I'll cover and boil. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Now I covered and boil. So let's move to the next one. These are well mixed tomatoes, paprika, onions, and a banoro pepper. I poured it into a pot. I'm just going to add a bit of vegetable oil on top of it, and I will allow it to boil down under low heat. While pepper is boiling, let's check the meat. Look at the meat. Can you see? You need to be here. The aroma is given is amazing. It is super yummy here already. So I gave it a gentle stir. At this stage they are tender, so I'm just going to take it out of the meat stock. Now let's move to the next. What I'm pouring into this pot is called vegetable oil. I'm just going to pour it into it and I will heat it up a bit, and I will get the meat, the boiled assorted meat. I'll pour it direct into the oil. And I also had the tender cow leg, bokoto or babankano, that's what we call it back at home. So I added it into it. I'm just going to fry everything together. Feel free to fry the cow skin and the tribe shaki together with this. All I need to do is just to be stirring it occasionally and fry them until they turn a bit golden brown. All right, so I'm okay with it now. I'm just going to take it out of the oil. This system saves time a lot because you're doing a lot at the time, and before you know, you are done with the kitchen. After taking them out, that is the oil, reduce the oil to your taste. Okay, so look at the pepper, it has boiled down. So I will just add the cooked pepper mix into the hot oil now, and I'm going to add meat stock also into it. That's the water we use for boiling the meat. I'll add some seasoning and I'm going to add some salt, just a bit of salt. We added meat stock and it contains salt, so be gentle with it. You can always adjust the salt. So I gave it a gentle mix. This pepper mix is cooked already. I'm just going to go ahead now and add the fried meat, the fried assorted meat direct into it. Like I've said, this system saves time a lot, and the way we prepare this, you're going to have super delicious aromatic stew later. I gave it a good mix, covered it together and allow them to boil together, all right, for about 5 to 7 minutes, because those fried meat need to drink from the pepper and they all have to become one. So I gave it a gentle stir again. Lovelies, can you see what you have? The stew is done, the meat is done, everything about the stew is given. You can see the size of the meat. They are bite sizes. You can always take it direct like that and you will love what you have. Please feel free to scoop the oil. If it is too much for you, you can scoop it, but I'm going to leave this one like this. It is once in a while. Thanks for watching.